Equipped with a high-quality image processor, the Tello drone shoots incredible photos and videos. Even if you don't know how to fly, you can record pro-level videos with easy shots and share them on social media from your smartphone. Camera features 5 megapixels, 2592 by 1936 photos and HD720 videos at a maximum flight time of 13 minutes. Tello has 2 antennas that make video transmission extra stable and a high-capacity battery that offers impressively long flight times. Thanks to all the tech that Tello's packing, like a flight controller powered by DJI, you can perform awesome tricks with this mini drone. Flying has never been so fun and easy. What you get: RyzeTech Tello powered by DJI, 4x propellers, pair, propeller guards, set, battery, micro USB cable, propeller removal tool. Video capture resolution: HD 720p. Top reviews from the United States. First flight couldn't have been easier with the third-party free app on iPhone 12 Pro Max phone. Not sure if allowed to mention the name here, but flew inside my 2-bedroom apartment to get acclimated to the controls, then took it outside. Most days there's been a breeze which slightly affects flying, but you can compensate with the controls because the drone maneuvers quick and easily. Be careful of flying out of Wi-Fi range and possible Wi-Fi interference. Know your limits, because it can continue to fly straight for about 50 yards. After disconnected. Pros. Hours of fun for $100 plus $60 for boost combo and still haven't explored all the features yet. Addicting, so I bought next level DJI drone. Cons. No GPS, home button doesn't work very well, relies on a sensor which there's plenty of info regarding. On the internet. Might be a little complicated and frustrating for young kids.